my name is Simran Ahuja and I'm absolutely feeling on a high, on a natural high altogether. Well, this is something I always wanted to start. We all know the importance of health in a world of today. And of course, if it really comes on a platter, things become much easier. So since a long time, I wanted to start with my lovely superfood, which I'm extremely fond of. That's moringa. But today, with Cherise, I'm feeling on a complete high altogether. So for the first time, I experienced moringa and ginger tea. So be it the chamomile tea or the hibiscus tea, everything that I was looking forward to, now I have it in natural tea forms. And that too what? It's all the natural greens. Green tea, of course, is always our favorite because of the antioxidants. But how about going ahead with the berry tea or the cardamom or the chamomile tea? It's absolutely wonderful, and I'm going to take this wondrous opportunity of thanking Cherise for really bringing all these natural flavors with a lot of ginger, turmeric. We all know the benefits of turmeric. I mean, in the past 22 months, we've been talking of, yes, turmeric, take it in any form with hot water, and how if you get it in the form of a tea bag. So it's absolutely incredible.
I'm Manisha Kelkar. I'm an actor, a Formula 4 car racer and a motivational speaker. What a wonderful event arranged by Nitin Munot, the corporate communication guy. Yeah, you will definitely spot him with his mustache. And thank you to Dr. Vivek to invite me for such an event. What lively people, and that's what we want today, you know. Amazing set of people, and what connections, and so many people really want to work together and enjoy tonight. And best was Cherise. Yes, I must talk about it. I tasted it. They have different flavors. Okay, Cherise is this amazing blend of teas, you know, different flavors. I think there's some 14 flavors. I tasted 2 of them, and the best thing to end the night with, I wish I had one. I tasted the cinnamon one, the black tea, and which was the other one, the caramel. Oh wow, I still can feel the fragrance out there. So yeah, please go out there and try it out, and looking forward to seeing more.
Wonderful, one of the most wonderful evening that I have spent in 2021. Cherise is a brand to experience. Different variants were tasted by me. Excellent taste, wonderful, gives a great flavor, and I understand with my, I'm going to try and experience, the Cherise products are going to arrest your aging process for sure.